What is up, everybody? In this video, you're going to learn 3 tips that can help you transition to a healthy vegan lifestyle. So the first one, we're going to just jump straight into it. The first one is to have a location, have a place where you're going to stick all your new meal ideas, all your new recipe ideas, have a place where you can actually put that on top of something where you will actually see it. So what I mean by that is, like, say you come across a really tasty meal that you like. Yo, what is this? Is it vegan? Damn, that's good. That's pretty good. As you will, you're gonna come across tons of different meals that you're gonna eat, and you're gonna be like, whoa, this is actually really delicious. Whenever that happens, write it on a note, put it on a clipboard, stick it in front of your fridge, stick it in front of your door, to your bedroom, to your living room. Just have a place where you can see this, so that next time you go to make a meal, you don't have to use up too much thought energy in looking through a bunch of different recipe books. This way you'll have a verified by you list of things that you already enjoy making. So that's a very, very useful tip whenever you're first starting off. The next tip is to keep it simple and keep it colorful. So there's times whenever we're frantic, we're like, oh my God, I don't know what to make. There's just too much options. It's just crazy. Whenever you're going through that, just remember, keep it simple and keep it colorful. Keep it simple could be one filling item in the food, such as potatoes, rice, corn, sweet potatoes, quinoa, lentils, beans. And the colorful aspect of it was just whatever vegetables you got, whatever vegetables you can think of, all these different colors. When it comes to, say, if you're having a fruit meal, bananas and dates is the filling aspect of it, and just try to get a bunch of different colors there, blueberries, spinach, and all these different things in terms of, say, maybe if you're making a smoothie. And this has helped me tremendously along my journey. There's times whenever I was just I don't know what to make, and I would just cook up a thing of rice, whatever vegetables I had in my house, I just cooked that up too. And whatever sauces I had, soy sauce, sriracha, sweet chili, I just threw that on there. And it was tasty, it was delicious, it was filling, and it did the trick. So the last tip is to have snacks on deck. And the best snack, in my opinion, is fruits, because it's got fiber, it's got minerals, vitamins, etc., low in fat. Fruit such as bananas, dates, apples, blueberries, plums, nectarines, peaches, clementines. The list goes on and on and on and on and on. All the different types of fruits, they are amazing snack items. You just grab and go. You just eat. You take it to work. Take it on your trip, wherever you're going. And the next could be rice cakes, or some dried fruit sweets you can get. And some people may want to snack on nuts, and nuts are very healthy. I would say if your aim is to lose weight, don't go heavy on the nuts. So with those 3 tips, have a location where you put down all the new tasty meals that you try. So you have a list, you're accumulating a list of all the things that you enjoy. Have a location to stick that in so you can see it. Keep it simple, keep colorful. In times when you're I don't know what to make, just keep it simple, keep it colorful, and have snacks on deck. With those 3 tips, I can assure the transition to a vegan lifestyle will be a lot easier. Thank you.